Welcome everyone. So today my topic is how to download the topo sheets. Most of our researchers, most of our students need topo sheet of a specific area. Most of our scholars or researchers don't know how to download the topo sheet from various sites, but we can download our topo sheets with the help of Google Earth. For that we can use Google Earth platform. So while using of Google Earth, so we have to use the browser of Chrome or Firefox. I just using the Google Chrome for the download the Google Earth. I just type here Google Earth. Now the Google Earth, this platform is to be changed. This is the web-based platform from last some years. So we directly launch the Google Earth on using the Google platform. Just launch the Google Earth, we find that no need to download now the latest version of Google Earth. So here the Google Earth which is a start, but for downloading the topo sheets we need the back versions, now the old version of the Google Earth. So how we can download the old version of Google Earth? Just go to the browser, new browser, just type Google Earth, download, and with the help of download the Google Earth, just click, we will find and we can freely download the Google Earth. I also already download the old version of Google Earth on my PC, which is on my desktop icon. I just double click on this Google Earth Pro, and now I am ready to download the topo sheets. So this is the old version or back version of Google Earth. I just close this window. This Google Earth now start running. Then again go to the Google Chrome, new window. Here we need one site, one URL, that is US Army Maps KMZ. So just type in Google Earth, just type US Army map space 15-KMZ. So these are the two sites, and we need US Army V15 desert info. Suppose, or if we click on this, it can't open, it's just started downloading. I just click here and it started downloading the process. So here is a downloading process of, we found that this sites will automatically download. Okay, now I just when complete the download, just close this window. Now we want to work to download our topo sheets on a folder basis. So create one folder, right click on a desktop, new, and folder, name it topo sheet. So here is a folder, we can keep our work in this folder. And on the desktop, this is the one icon, this PC. and then download. We found that here is a link which is downloaded. Just right click it, copy it and paste in our folder. Okay, now close this folder and open the Google Earth. Now we want to open this URL in this Google Earth. So go to File, Open, and see the path where our URL is. Our URL on desktop, TopoSheets folder. We keep the TopoSheets folder. This is the TopoSheet folder. Click on URL and click on open. When we click open, we found that the exact on Google Earth, we found that there are so many net of square, which indicates the TopoSheets net. Now we want to download the TopoSheets or see the TopoSheet of a specific area. Suppose I want Mahabaleshwar. Area to search. Now the area which is found by the Google Earth. With the help of scroll we can zoom in and zoom out, or here is the one tools that we can zoom in and zoom out. Now we found that one square which is of Mahabaleshwar. Okay, now on this square there is a one small number. Here is the number 10. Just click on number. A new window come out which indicates the number of these TopoSheets 10 NE43 10 Satara map. Just right click it, don't open it, right click it, copy the URL, copy this TopoSheets URL and then open a new window and click this URL with Ctrl V here and make a enter. So the TopoSheet will be downloaded. Now we will get a specific area TopoSheets like this. So if we zoom this, zoom the area, I just close this window, zoom area, and these are the TopoSheets window. So we download the specific area TopoSheet with the help of Google Earth. Thank you very much.